Hey, and welcome back to Brass with Ben. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to make a sound on the trumpet. Now we can think about the sound in a couple of different ways, but in every instance we're using what is called our embouchure, which is that region of the mouth sort of around there, and that is how we make a sound on the trumpet, by sort of tensing muscles without creating too much tension. So we can think about it in a couple of different ways. My favourite way is to sort of make the letter M, or make the shape of your mouth as though you're about to say the letter M. So and then you blow the air out through the centre. And the second way is by sort of blowing a raspberry with your mouth and going, and then the mouthpiece will help to hold that in check. So if we're making that letter M, again, nice and relaxed breaths like we talked about in our breathing exercise. All we want to do then is bring that trumpet up to our mouth. That can be in the center, that can be on the side. Everyone's mouth is a little bit different. So wherever you feel comfortable making the best sound that you can is where it is correct for your mouth. We've all got different shaped jaws or different shaped teeth. We've all got a different shaped face. So where it might be comfortable for you to make a bigger, fuller, beautiful sound might be different to me. So with that M, so that could have been the M or the raspberry, and we're just aiming on making a sound, not necessarily that note. If the sound you make is more of a or a, that's all good. Any sound that you can make at the moment is exactly what we're aiming for. So what we're going to try from then is making sure that we are rehashing what we learned in that breathing exercise video, and making sure that we're breathing in a nice relaxed fashion from our diaphragm right down into our stomach, instead of packing up in that chest. That'll help to make it more relaxed, more easy. So the less tension we have, the more beautiful of a sound we're going to play with. Always making sure that we're relaxed, we're breathing that air out in a nice, smooth, open fashion. So those muscles around the mouth, nice and relaxed in that M shape, or nice and relaxed in that raspberry shape. Give it a go. Exercise, just experiment. If you want to put it on the side of your mouth and give it a go, that's all good. If that's where it's the most comfortable for you to make a sound, that's where we're going to work from that exact spot. For me, it's slightly off to the side. It's not quite in the center. It's not quite as far to the side as I just showed, but for you, it'll be different again, depending on the shape of your mouth, depending on the shape of your teeth, the shape of your jaw. The cavity inside of your mouth will change where it's comfortable to make a sound on the trumpet. So experiment, and wherever you have a go, wherever it makes the sound the best is exactly where you want to make that sound. Give it a go, and I'll see you in the next lesson.